Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top essential travel tips and hacks for your trip to Egypt. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first adventure, these tips will help you make the most of your journey. Imagine yourself gazing upon the majestic pyramids of Giza, cruising down the serene Nile River at sunset, or exploring the bustling souks of Cairo. Egypt, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and awe-inspiring sights, promises an unforgettable travel experience. But like any well-planned adventure, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip. That's where our essential travel tips and tricks come in handy, because we want you to savor every moment of your Egyptian adventure. When it comes to packing for Egypt, remember, less is more. Think versatile clothing. Lightweight fabrics that breathe in the Egyptian heat, like linen and cotton. Pack items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. A couple of pairs of comfortable walking shoes are a must. And don't forget a scarf or shawl. Perfect for a little extra warmth on a cool desert evening, or as a respectful head covering when visiting religious sites. And here's a little trick I've learned over the years. Packing cubes. These handy zippered pouches are a traveler's best friend. They compress your clothes, maximize space in your luggage, and keep everything organized. No more rummaging through your suitcase for a stray sock. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Remember, you can always buy toiletries and other essentials locally in Egypt. This not only lightens your load, but also gives you a chance to experience local brands and products. Remember, packing light is all about maximizing your travel enjoyment while minimizing stress. Now, let's move on to some smart ways to find those affordable flights. Getting to Egypt affordably is easier than you think. Start by utilizing those flight comparison websites. They're your best allies in the quest for bargain airfares. Websites and apps like Skyscanner or Google Flights let you compare prices from different airlines and travel dates, so you can snag the best deal. And here's a pro tip: set up fare alerts. These handy notifications will alert you when the price of your desired flight fluctuates, so you can jump on a good deal as soon as it pops up. Think outside the box when it comes to your travel dates. Flying midweek, Tuesdays and Wednesdays often have the lowest fares, or during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, can lead to significant savings. Remember, flexibility is key. The less rigid you are with your travel dates, the more likely you are to find a bargain. And who knows, you might even discover a hidden gem of a deal for a less traveled time of year. Staying safe and savvy. Navigating Egypt with confidence. Egypt is a generally safe country for travelers, but like any destination, it's wise to be aware of your surroundings and take sensible precautions. Keep your valuables secure. A money belt worn under your clothing is a great way to keep your cash and passport close. Avoid flashing large amounts of cash or expensive jewelry, especially in crowded areas. When it comes to scams, knowledge is your best defense. Familiarize yourself with common scams, like taxi overcharging or fake tour guides. Stick to reputable transportation options and book tours through established agencies. Remember, if a deal sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Trust your instincts and don't be afraid to say no if you feel pressured or uncomfortable. Your safety and peace of mind are paramount. Your digital travel companion. Essential apps for Egypt. In today's digital age, your smartphone can be your most valuable travel companion. Download a few essential travel apps before you go, and you'll be equipped to navigate, translate, and discover hidden gems with ease. First up, a good offline map app, like Maps.me or Google Maps. Make sure to download the offline map of Egypt. Will be your lifeline for finding your way around, even without an internet connection. Next, a reliable translation app, such as Google Translate or Microsoft Translator, can be a lifesaver for deciphering menus, asking for directions, or even having simple conversations with locals. Finally, consider downloading a local guide app, like Culture Trip or Lonely Planet's Guides app, for curated recommendations on restaurants, attractions, and off-the-beaten-path experiences. These apps can provide valuable insights and local perspectives that enhance your trip. Your Egyptian adventure awaits. Ready, set, go. So there you have it, our top tips to ensure your Egyptian adventure is smooth sailing from start to finish. Remember to pack light, utilizing those trusty packing cubes to maximize space and minimize wrinkles. Finding affordable flights is all about flexibility and using comparison websites to your advantage. Safety is paramount, so stay aware of your surroundings. Secure your valuables and be savvy about potential scams. Embrace the power of technology and download those essential travel apps, your digital companions for navigating, translating, and unlocking the hidden gems of Egypt. Now you're armed with the knowledge and tools for an unforgettable Egyptian adventure. Go explore those ancient wonders, soak in the vibrant culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss when a new video drops. We post new travel destination videos every Tuesday and Friday, so stay tuned for more exciting adventures. From exploring the ancient wonders of the world to uncovering hidden gems in bustling cities, we're passionate about sharing our love for travel and inspiring you to embark on your own unforgettable journeys. Remember, the world is vast and full of incredible experiences waiting to be discovered. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and let's explore together. Safe travels.